Hi everyone, I am Jay Krishna from EEE department. Today my topic name is integrals, subject name DUVC. Evaluate the line integral x square plus xy into dx plus x square plus y square into dy, where C is the square formed by the lines x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. Next solution, let f bar dot dr bar equal to x square plus xy into dx, x square plus y square into dy. Given curve is formed by the lines x equal to plus or minus 1 and y equal to plus or minus 1. We draw a rough diagram of this question consisting of x-axis and y-axis. This is the A, B vertices. Therefore, integral f bar dot dr bar equals to integral f bar dot dr bar along over AB plus f bar dot dr bar along over BC plus integral f bar dot dr bar along over CD plus integral f bar dot dr bar along over OA along the line segment AB. A consisting of 1, 1, B minus 1, 1, y equal to 1 and dy equal to 0, x equals to 1 to minus 1 along AB. Therefore, integral f bar dot dr bar along over AB equals to integral x equal to 1 to minus 1 x square plus x into dx equal to x square integration x cube by 3 plus x integration x square by 2 limits 1 to minus 1. Therefore, x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, dy equal to 0 is equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 8 plus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 is equals to minus 8 by 3. Along CD, C equals to minus 1, minus 1, D equals to 1, minus 1, y equal to minus 1, dy equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 to 1, integral f bar dot dr bar along over CD limits x equal to minus 1 to 1, x square minus x into dx equal to x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 limits minus 1 to 1 equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 minus of minus 5 by 6 equal to minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6 equal to 4 by 6 equals to 2 by 3. This is the CD. Along OA, D equals to 1, minus 1 and A equals to 1, 1, x equal to 1, dx equal to 0, y equal to minus 1 to 1, integral f bar dot dr bar along over OA, integral limits y equal to minus 1 to 1, 1 plus y square into dy, y plus y cube by 3 limits minus 1 to 1, 1 plus 1 by 3 minus of minus 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. This is the required solution. Integral f bar dot dr bar equals to integral f bar dot dr bar along over AB plus integral f bar dot dr bar along over BC plus integral f bar dot dr bar along over CD plus integral f bar dot dr bar along over OA. AB minus 2 by 3 and BC minus 8 by 3 plus CD 2 by 3 plus OA 8 by 3. This is the required solution 0. Thank you.